Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode, and today we're making one of my favorite sipping cocktails, the Godfather. Now this cocktail has a bit of a disputed history, but one story that I like is that apparently this was the favorite cocktail of Marlon Brando, who of course played the role of Don Corleone in The Godfather. So this drink is a mix of Scotch whiskey and Amaretto. Classically it's done with equal parts, but a lot of people will serve it with a 2-to-1 ratio. But I actually prefer a 4-to-1 ratio, so I want heavier on the Scotch. Now this is Islay Mist. It's one of my favorite Scotches for cocktails because it's a blended Scotch, but it's a blend of Islay Scotches, specifically Laphroaig. So it's got that nice smoky peaty flavor that I love in Scotch, and so whenever I'm making a cocktail with Scotch, this is the one I go for. So 2 ounces of our blended Scotch. Next up, for the Amaretto, I'm using Disaronno. It's a great Amaretto, great almond flavor. Goes really, really well in this drink. So we're going to do a 1/2 ounce. That gives us our 4-to-1 ratio. If you want to do a 2-to-1, you would give it a full ounce pour here. But I'm just doing 1/2 ounce. I don't like my drinks too sweet. Now classically, this is a 2-ingredient drink, so just your Scotch and your Amaretto. Here's where I differ again. I like to add 1 dash of Angostura bitters. You don't have to do this if you want to stick with the original DNA of the cocktail, but I like the bitters. So 1 dash of our Angostura, and that's the drink. 3 ingredients. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, you'll be notified every time we upload new videos. Alright, back to the cocktail. So we've put a nice big giant cube in our rocks glass, and now we're going to carefully lower the rest of our ice into our mixing glass. So just fill her up, as much ice as you can get in there. You can crack a cube as well. Right. Get that out of the way. We're going to lower our spoon in and we will commence stirring. This is a stirred drink, of course, just like most drinks that have just booze ingredients. We don't shake, we just want to stir. You're stirring for about 20 to 40 seconds. Oh, lost an ice there. That's embarrassing. Chuck her back in. No one saw that. So yeah, 30-40 seconds. You can kind of tell when you're done stirring, when the ice kind of like, as it melts, it'll kind of settle in the glass, and you're going to stir with ease. Everything kind of settles into place. That's when you know that you've gotten enough dilution in the drink. All right, we're looking pretty good here. Okay, so we're going to grab our julep strainer. We've got our rocks glass with our giant ice cube, the same way we would serve an old-fashioned. And slow, sexy pour into the glass. Love it. Okay, for garnish, I typically do a lemon peel with my Godfather. I don't actually have any lemons right now, so we're going to do an orange peel. But either way, nice peel of lemon or orange, great garnish for this particular drink. So we're going to squeeze it, try to express some of those oils. We're going to rub the glass so you really perfume it, and then just stick it there next to the ice. And there you have it. There is your Godfather cocktail. Again, this is a great kind of variation on the old-fashioned. Obviously, it's a stiff drink. It's only booze ingredients, so it's a sipping cocktail. But you really get, depending on the Scotch you use, like I said, I like my Islay Mist. It's going to give you that nice, peaty, smoky flavor. The Disaronno adds a bit of sweetness and that nice almond, marzipan style flavor, really good. You get the nice citrus oils on the nose. It's just a really good cocktail. So go ahead and make yourself a Godfather. Alright, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Please hit that button, hit the bell. You'll be notified when we upload new content. And we will see you next time. Cheers, guys.